Assalamu alaikum. My name is KM Zishan from Ameen Trading Corporation Private Limited. We are participating in this exhibition TEXPO held in Karachi from 26 to 28 of May. We are collaborating with Next Fashion Trimming Company. It's a very good company from China. They're a very high quality producer for trims, accessories and all these things. So we are very happy to collaborate with them. They are a very high quality supplier supplying all over the world. So we are happy to collaborate with them, and we are going to promote them in Pakistan to support all the textile industry, garment industry and the local brands. We thank Next Fashion for joining us in this TEXPO exhibition, and we look forward to have a great collaboration together. Thank you.
I am Next Fashion, Togo, come from China. We are happy we joined the Pakistan Karachi Textile Fair. We are happy to cooperate with Ameen. This is a great company with 76 years old. We are lucky we can make a good relationship to developing the Pakistan trimming accessories market.